Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Vipulkumar, and in this video I'm going to discuss about a project on which I was working over this weekend. That is an automated door lock system with an IP camera feed. So just by a click of a button, you can lock or unlock the door either from your smartphone or your laptop, whichever is connected to your home network. Also, you'll be able to see on the IP camera who is at your door. The whole setup does not require any modifications to your existing lock system. It's just an additional layer which makes it automated. So now let's go and check how it works and let's see. So this is the whole setup, and you can see on the tab we are hitting an IP address of Raspberry Pi on which we are running our server. The UI consists of the IP camera feed, lock and unlock button. This is the brain of the whole system. It is Raspberry Pi which hosts the server and listens to our request, also monitors and governs how servo motors are going to run. The unlock option of the UI actually rotates the motor clockwise, which in turn opens the door, and when we press the lock button, it rotates the motor to anti-clockwise direction, which in turn locks the door. We have also placed a web camera on top of our door so that we can see a person whoever knocks or rings the bell. Based on the person's identification, then we can decide whether to unlock the door or not. The whole system can also be operated by a laptop which is connected to home network. If we press unlock, it will also in turn unlock the door and change the status to unlocked. So that was the whole system working, and hope you liked this video. Do like, share and subscribe, that really motivates. Also, if you want to contribute towards the source code of this project, the GitHub link for this repository will be there in my description box. Clone it, enhance it, and do let me know what enhancements you did. Thank you.